students, today we are going to discuss the properties of ionic compounds like sodium chloride, potassium iodide and barium chloride. We know that these compounds are made by the give and take of electrons. Here these metal ions, for example in case of sodium chloride, sodium atom is a metal and it has having one extra electron that it has donated to this chlorine atom. Here in case of potassium iodide के पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्स्ट्रा था and iodine was having one less electron. So this bond is formed by the give and take of electrons. Here this barium was having two extra electrons, so for chlorine atom it has donated one electron. Now let us discuss. So as these are formed by the give and take of electrons, so when this atom metal ion is given electron, it is assuming positive charge. And if we talk about when these non-metals are taking one electron, then they are assuming negative charge. Okay, so we have studied in physics also that opposite charge attract each other. So the bond formed by the positive and negative charges is this bond is strong bond. They are strong. Okay. Now let us see what are the physical or chemical properties, whatever properties are there of ionic compound. First of all, let us see physical state. If we see NaCl, okay. Although we are not able to go to lab right now, but सोडियम क्लोराइड इज कॉमन सॉल्ट. ये वही नमक है जो हम घर में खाने में यूज करते हैं. So let us we can see the solubility of one compound and we can find out the properties of ionic compounds, all the ionic compounds. See, physical state, they are solid because the bonding between positive and negative electrons, negatively charged particles is strong, so these are solids, and sometimes brittle, so they are brittle also. Okay, brittle. Solubility if we talk about, they are, अब जैसे नमक है, वन एग्जाम्पल मैंने कहा आप हम ये कॉमन सॉल्ट है जो हमारे किचन में भी है. किचन में अगर हम बात करें what is the solubility of sodium chloride? It dissolves in water, soluble in water. अगर हम पानी में डिसॉल्व करें ये पानी में soluble in water. But what about this solubility in other compounds like kerosene or petrol? Insoluble in other oils. अगर हम किसी ऑयल में से ना डिसॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें, insoluble in petrol or kerosene oil. Now let us talk about the electrical conductivity of ionic compounds. If we will take, suppose we are taking sodium chloride solution or solution of any other chloride, and to take graphite rods like this will be graphite rods. Okay, now we are attaching it to the battery like or the cell, and here we are putting one bulb. Here we are putting sodium chloride solution. Then we will see, if we will do this experiment, we will see that this bulb glows. This means these ionic compounds are conducting electricity. But why we are taking the solution? Can we now do the same experiment with NaCl, solid NaCl? Then connect in place of wire we can put any battery and try to complete a circuit like this, solid NaCl. If we will take solid NaCl, will it conduct electricity? No. In this case it will not conduct electricity, this bulb will not glow. ठीक है, क्यों होता है ऐसा कि इनका सिर्फ सॉल्यूशन या मोल्टन फॉर्म है. So we can say that ionic compounds in their molten state only conduct electricity. सिर्फ वो अपने मोल्टन स्टेट में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि मोल्टन स्टेट में जो अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस बीच के पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज के बीच में जो अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस हैं मोल्टन स्टेट में इनके पास इतनी एनर्जी होती है कि इस बॉन्ड को ब्रेक कर सके. दैट्स व्हाई एंड देन दे विल बी able to, because electricity is conducted by the plus or negative charge. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे. और यहाँ पर मोल्टन स्टेट में आयनिक कंपाउंड की जो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज के बीच में जो बॉन्ड है वो ब्रेक होगा. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आयंस विल बी फ्री टू मूव हियर एंड देयर. दैट्स व्हाई दे विल कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. If we talk about melting point and boiling point of these ionic compounds, it will be high. Why? Because as we know that there is strong forces of attraction. If A plus B is there, B negative, or A2 plus B negative, okay, or A3 plus B1, B10, B3, anything, okay, and B, or any such thing is there like that. There will be strong forces of attraction between the positive charged particle and the negatively charged ion. That's why the melting point, the boiling point of these ionic compounds will be always higher. So this was the properties of ionic compounds. We can see फिजिकल स्टेट इज सॉलिड एंड दे कैन बी ब्रिटल आल्सो. सॉल्युबिलिटी नमक का देख लीजिए, सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, इनसॉल्युबल इन केरोसिन ऑयल और पेट्रोल. इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी, दे कैन कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन मोल्टन स्टेट में या पिघले स्टेट में या सॉल्यूशन फॉर्म में दे कैन कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इट इज हाई. सो दिस वाज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आयनिक कंपाउंड्स. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.